Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials. In this video today we are going to learn how to open Unity assets in Unity game engine. It looks very simple by clicking here on this button open in Unity, but before that we need to explain a couple of other steps just to make it faster and easier. Although again it will sound stupid and maybe look stupid, just to make things faster. First of all, you need a Unity account, Unity game engine. To do that, you have to go to their Unity site and download it and install it, and all of this sounds very logical, and it is. You cannot open these assets or any other assets by clicking on this button if you don't have Unity installed. Simple as that. You cannot just open it in some other game engine or in some kind of preview window or anything like that. It doesn't matter if it's Unity code, if this is for example 3D objects or 2D graphic art, so you expect maybe it can open in something else. No, you have to go to Unity site, create account, then download Unity Hub. That is application which needs to be installed before Unity game engine, and it's like a manager for Unity projects and Unity game engines of different versions that you have installed on your computer. Then create project. We have seen that in previous video. New project, then pick whatever you need here, then open that project. In my case I have called it test assets, created it in previous video, and here it is. It looks like this, famous and great Unity game engine and Unity project. And then and only then you can click on this open in Unity, but not then. We have one more step which I have already shown in one video which I made, but I had to delete it because it took me too long to make it, and also it took Unity game engine too long to create a project. So you're not going to get this open in Unity button just like that. You have to do one step before it, and we are going to show that now. So for example, unless you have claimed one of those assets before, it doesn't matter if it's free or premium. If you got this for free or you paid some money for it, it doesn't matter in terms of opening it in Unity. Before you can open it, I will pick this Pixel Adventure 1 Pixel Frog art because I like it. It looks great. I think there is it's on other websites also, like itch.io, Unreal, maybe a store and stuff like that, but you can see it here because I haven't claimed this. I don't have this. It doesn't matter if it's free or not. First I have to add it to my assets. When it's free, it's add to my asset account. When it's premium, you have to buy it. It will say buy this asset, something like this. So click on this add to my assets, accept the terms. Sometimes those terms mean that you are not able to use this for commercial purposes, only for learning, but most of the time they give away free stuff for everything. And you have seen that you have some kind of notification which says open in Unity and something else that just went away and disappeared because I was talking too much again and nothing really changed. So I will refresh the page now and it should say open in Unity because we added that to our account. And when I say account, again, that's some kind of Unity account you have already made before, because you needed to create account to download Unity, to install Unity and so on. And also it's very important to have that account. Same with other major companies of today like Epic Game Store, Steam, Adobe, whatever, they all want you into their ecosystem, logged in, create account, everything you buy connected to your account. It's always like that, and then you can open it, then you can use it in Steam, in Epic Games, in Unreal, in Unity, in Adobe, and so on and so on. I don't like most of that stuff, but that's the only way to use it for most of those companies. So now, because I have my Unity Hub installed and my Unity game engine installed and my Unity project created and my Unity project open and my Unity asset claimed and added to my account, I can finally, after 5 minutes, click open in Unity and check this button because I'm in Brave browser and it asks me, do you want to open this, like it's risky or whatever. Maybe some other browsers won't ask you, and you can finally see here package manager says, okay, here it is what you have. Do you want to open it again? Before I do that, I have to download it. We will do that in a second. But if I, for example, clicked on food props, open in Unity, check now the project, it will change the package manager information. Now it's food props. Previous time it was Froggy Pixel Adventure 1. And you can click on Unity Asset Store page site and click open in Unity like we just did, or just open this package manager in your Unity project game engine which is opened, and then pick whatever you want from the list of your assets. So this is, for example, list of my assets. I have to add some more. I have like 200 of those. Most of those are actually premium. I bought those from Humble Bundle, and recently some like this hidden object template and market shop store template. To test those, they were cheap, but I also add really good free stuff like we just did with food and frog pack. And let's check how food prop is very small, and this guy here was oh, it's also small. This guy is 300 kilobytes and this guy here is 700 kilobytes, so it's less than 1 megabyte. Let's go with Frog, it's smaller. Open in Unity editor, download. Oh, maybe the problem here will be because I'm in 3D, but it's sprites, I think it, yeah. So I can now see those. What do you want to import? Unity asks you, do you want to import all of those? And they are all checked out. Like in this case, I have so many images, sprites, PNGs of the frog and his characters and environment. Spiked ball, spikes, spike head, soul, mud, ice, rock head, platforms, fire, fan, falling platform, box, traps, other, pink man, ninja frog, mask, main characters, fruits. Sometimes you don't need all of those. Sometimes, for example, if I needed only a ninja dude, where is the ninja dude? I would uncheck all of those. No, mask dude. I would uncheck all of those others and only leave the mask dude or ninja frog. So I want ninja frog only. I deselect all of the other stuff and import ninja frog only, but in this case I want to import all of them. Click import. You see now the package is importing, and now I have it now here in my packages here, I think. But how to find it? Yeah. In project overview. Okay, I will minimize this. No, it's not possible. Okay, Okay, so let's try to find it. Is it in packages or is it in assets? Yeah, it's an asset maybe. Yeah, here it is, Pixel Adventure. Assets, Pixel Adventure. Why I thought it would be in packages, yeah. My bad. So let's see the mask dude. Oh. Here it is. Oh, it's the guy with the mask. I expected something else. Ninja Frog. Ninja Frog, can I? Yeah. Cool. So here it is. We have imported the Ninja Frog. Finally, after so many years. It doesn't make sense to import 2D sprites into 3D. Very much. You would probably want to create a project 2D, Universal 2D, or 2D mobile, and then import sprites, but sometimes you will combine 2D and 3D. Let me try to open the food pack. So I'm using the same process just to show you that the same thing goes for 2D and 3D. I go to open in Unity editor. If the browser asks you, it will open the package manager. Click the download because all of this is online on their site, on their servers. You have to download it. It's downloaded. Then you have to import it, and once it's imported, I will pick all of those. Sometimes you will pick only one or as many as you want. Once it's imported, you can go to, in my case it's called add-ons MG3D food. Here it is. So here is the banana, hamburger, hot dog, olive, all of those here. That's it for this video. Maybe, yeah, 12 minutes, not bad. Anyway, I hope you have learned how to open assets in Unity. Once you create Unity project, it's easy more or less to do it, but it's painful to create a project and to download Unity, install Unity Hub, add those to your account. But once you get to this point, opening Unity, it's more or less easy enough and simple. That's it for this video. See you in next one. Bye for now.